Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, you miss it. You miss it.
Because the woman lock me bumbo clot. Have in hand a shoe up my neck and me I try force in my head in a man. Me I tell her to blood clot. My little head go through some suffering. Youth. Bam, so I find your weak fence and I find your spot them now we're weak. I find out how to ray, you know. So I know how to lucky body. So you know, say now, the higher. Now the higher have. You know, now me are done. Now me are done to the blood clot thing. I run go nowhere and I not do nothing. Two me and my blood clot pussy me never. So when me get up, my pussy wet. The two hour pussy wet now. Because right now I see I'm getting really in touch with my sense. My sense they don't have a kicky, you know, and all of my nerves them operating right. My pussy wet, me get up, me and say, no man, me have to drop in and I want a juice. And I come, but I'm super wet. I'm super damp. You understand? That means say the suck your work. It's working, it is working, hallelujah. Yeah. Right now me apply, me I try all guys. See me whopping. Right now, you know what? I have different skills, me I try different skill set. Different skill set me I try now, my friend. Yeah. Me take me one night time in I take my tongue should be in a whole of blood clot. But no. Me I try all my jaw bones start hurt me too far gone back and me I try stuff my tongue as far as it can go down in a roll. You're fucking lucky. I guess so if me not get that right now, it don't make no sense we fuck. So me no bother fucky at all. I play too much with my words. You're lucky. No a murder man, no a problem man. Lockjaw. He can lock all he want blood clot lock. Because he have to complete the job no matter how tired. He have to suck till him blood clot bone go so twist. And when you get up you have to dip on. Yeah man, jaw have to walk. Jaw have to walk. So I'm saying enough people try it and it never work out for them. It's the first taste now go have the blood clot, the good taste. They come like certain taste we have to taste, certain food we eat, you have to taste a few times before the true taste start build up in your mouth. That is pussy eating for me. But to me advance right now, once woman crazy like me I suck everywhere. I lick every blood clot angle like a bangle. Me I suck, me I nyam, me I lick, me I pit in and me I do everything to blood clot. 20 in your hole. Your blood clot, you're lucky. If you don't want it, you don't go along. If you don't want it, why don't go? Goes about your business. Stuff all 2 pieces of ice and search feet with your tongue. Yeah. Stuff 2 ice in the hole and then you use your tongue search for your ice. Tell Muma to squeeze out back your ice. You know? Do our key glass squeeze out back your blood. It's not easy. You know what the sweetest part for me now? You know what I say? Me like you fatty them. Rest back on my back like so cause then time they know my woman was a fatty. I'm lay down on my back like so to blood clot. Flow me I use and flow is good. Me lay down on my back and Muma drop a blood clot pussy in my face and the body jar then just drop on my jaw like so to pussy clot. God almighty man. Sometimes I want a little breath, you want to see me I kick my foot them and I go on like say. You know when picnic can't see man in Ghana water too deep. I saw me I kick my blood clot foot them make y'all free me up. Me like when me go close to that, so that is a blessing. It's a blessing. It's a blessing, me not gonna lie. It take as them is a blessing. Yeah man. When you get close to that. Then when Muma thinks she nearly kill you, they say, where you gone? Come back. Tell us to blood cause my nose soon gone flat. My nose won't get flat. My nose won't go in flat, brother. You say any blood clot big old body drop in my face. Sometimes I get up and I say, that blood clot woman nearly kill me. But me like it. I tell you the truth, so one time I ask the fatty them say, what is the code to know say me I lose breath down there, so cause you don't know hear when man a ball. So what the secret word for tell us say yo my stifle. Get up and me look at breathing. Get up and me breathe look a bit wicked, girl. All you thump all the body peg to Muma come, she no business with you. Me sorry God never give me a goodness to preach your ears. Beat him mattress all when I beat him body peg to Muma come, Muma no remember you. Muma sit down all in your face to blood clot, sit down with all I might. You know, catch. I know say you have to breathe. When me get up, I saw what I get. I saw what a blood clot girl wicked. I'm your mother's man. Yeah, man. When me get up, I saw what a blood clot girl wicked. She knows me is not a real fish. Me can't breathe underwater. And I like when you have cocky down your throat, then you say breathe around it. Me can't breathe around this sky, but it's just not me ears can't of them. God almighty. When me get up here, man. So you see me, I tell you, I want to get up. Right now, I want dead under there. If me dead under there, is a good dead. I'm not growing you. I'm dead with my clit stiff, my face wet, my throat mice. It's just that I'm short of breath. But bad to bad. Bad to bad. I want somebody to style for me, man. Somebody will. So, eat this pussy. Yeah? Just rap in my face and say, eat this pussy. Hey, don't you get up. Don't you? Yeah, man, your blood clot. Don't you get up. Don't you take it out your mouth. And that's somebody for me, so what a blood clot with you, girl. I try to look breathing space anyway. I don't have any children. Do I need any one of them generation of vipers here? I'm good. As somebody stay like I'm stay. You understand? Yeah. Enough people feel to admit the fact. If the woman, if me, I mean, I tell her this. You see, when I reach to my honeymoon stage, and it reach, if I go and suck every can of the blood clot woman, tell Jesus me say suck him hear me and him know my heart. Him know so when he come on to pussy me serious. Him know so when he come on to the girl body me active. Me I lick every blood clot angle like a bangle. If I on my armpit anywhere me I lick everywhere. I don't give a fuck, so I come down. I badness. If I that will come out, that will come out. If I that will come out, that will come out. So what I'm do? Make the blood clot. One next bitch and one next there, man. Watch up. That is it, Chris. Yeah, man. You must see blood clot ready. Me no business. Yo. When you come for your Rasta, you call my mother for one money. Yeah, so as me say, I don't want another person to teach her them things, and that is why enough of them people are man straight and them woman straight. Because it's like they want to tell you what kind of thing them into, but you're not allowing them to be themselves. You see anything with my woman in a blood clot, just believe me, night. I'm going to think I play a shit play. I'm going to think I play a shit play and a pit in my mouth, pit in my mouth. I'm not the bag of pit business. But anything other than that, I burn up the ground. I tell him saying can piss for my throat, but don't wise. But don't piss in my face. I don't like a part there. No piss for me neither. Piss down also. Because I tell her, so one at a time I eat. Yeah, and one at a time I eat. When I'm a long time female, them a mama squirt in my throat. It's when the blood clot power was lick my throat back. He lick me tonsil around and so. My worst for days. So, I have to take time when it come on to them craziness. Then I have to understand myself. Because I'm not going to drown in me, you know. I'm not going to drown me. Unruly Queen, thank you, beautiful. Yeah. I'm not gonna make no kill me a blood clot. When you buck up in a same thing with cartel mix. Me say the woman may eat the pussy and the woman squirt in my throat. Me not gonna lie. I just feel frightened when me get up. But if dirty taxi cool you dash me a suck cock like dog. Bam, so you see if it was something where she did tell me say it on a gum. When willing to do the do, yo. When willing to do the do. You see me? That one thing me did willing to do the do. But you see if she did just want me say, yo, me go spray like a blood clot. You ever see Paul was a car wash? What going on? Well, if she not in her way, you in her way, I go. I don't know what that means. Yeah, in a way. One to this a blood, come me give you one fucking black, make you go suck all they do and go on in a brother. Cause right now you're too much. You're too much. With your coke argument, every place. Yeah, so as me say, the woman squirt na me throat. If me didn't know, I would fly up so. But you see, because I didn't want to take me at surprises when the fire in my throat back. Me say me tonsil burn me. Me have to, you know, when you get cold and your throat have the little sitting there, you have to, like your throat sweet here and sitting there. Your blood clot, I go cater to my throat because the woman kill me to pussy clot. He shoot out the whole of me, the dangling thing around there, so he fuck it up. If she's not into what I'm into, then she's fishy. She's not for me. She go get bone in her nasty blood clot. Because I not take up nothing if you not in her with me, you know. You can go on your ways. We all have choices. We all have choices, people. Nobody can force me for blood clot they will do me no want they with. And force me they with and for go on go on your ways. Yeah. There's my little chapter there. So me a big people were crazy. We're willing to try a lot of different things. Me a big people who are willing to try a lot of things. A people who are willing to gain. A people who are willing to gain a whole heap of experience, and a people who are willing to try a lot of things. What go on, auntie? Do you cheat? I used to cheat, not anymore. Yes, auntie. Yeah, I'm forced to do that now. You go just set up yourself a failure. Yeah, so if she not into her pussy feel lick and her body if you swipe at some point, you know, you go, she gonna get boring. She gonna get boring. Everything I have to go get lick once me in it. Me I lick every blood clot thing. So I'm about to get married. I'm not married as yet. I'm engaged, but yeah, when I reach a married state there, me I pity in her body when I'm pity night. Me I go get crazy with it. How old am I? Next month me at 33. Next month I'll be 33, love. I don't give a fuck. Anybody want blood clot, jump up and kill up themselves and be offended like me I use no more ton blood clot cause we have no business. Come stop me. But me I like every angle like a bangle. I said it before, me not hide nothing. You think me friend for people? No pussy can just see me and lick me in my face. I promise you that. Cause I'm going to lick me under a whole heap of fight. Me not just take lick from people. I'm going to take this from people. So you see me, because I'm my mouth and I'm my body, tell a boy or girl so when they hear me attack. When I like what me I say, we have a whole heap of other life. Check down the line down so. Big man thing. If me into it and she into it, why would I cheat? If I get everything on me, I'm good. Like we used to cheat, but when I realize it ain't nothing out the road, not really out there. Not really out the road, you know me, G. Once you have a bee where we do certain things to you, give you the amount of love what you need and the affection and the attention and all of them things there. Things do go downhill sometime, you know. You have to just find back what we make you in love in our first place and fix that. But other than that, When are you getting married? I'll let you all know when it's done. I'll let you all know when it's done. So never feel for us for no one then with someone else. Well, listen, all if me see a girl and me eye full by looking at her and I say, yo, that girl body thick, she sexy, this, that and the third, and that's the me no know, me no feel like me so fit to go cheat. Like me can see it and me can tell her say, yo, you sexy as fuck. Me can say, yo, you sexy as fuck. But no. I don't want to go there with nobody. I've been there. We jump out of my relationship to go take up other people. And when me check it out, they ain't even like, you have to find somebody who match you. Match your crazy, match your fun side, match your reasoning side, like a virgin same way. And I found that in my wife. So, I kind of balance. You see me? She will look on again and say she thick, and me can do it just the same. It all we have that same look out. When I say, yo, she can have all of me. And when she explained that, she say, babe, if you seen this chick, you'd say the same thing. I'm good. Yeah, because sometimes I cheat with them girl, all them when I do, I pretty up the thing for make you dupe on your people, you see me? And after you dupe on your people, you find out that they ain't even shit. So, truth to be told, it don't make no sense. That's why I have a rose. See, if ever me in my house, cause we live, she live in America, me live in Jamaica, and in case we feel like that, I just take out my blood clot vibrator, and by the time I get a broke, I forgot about say I'm here alone live. I forgot say I'm here alone live. I forgot I swear to you. I'm gonna sleep tomorrow is a different blood clot day.